Have you ever looked at your design and thought that, why does this look unprofessional? The answer might be your typography. The most interesting is that most typography mistakes are not obvious. Nobody looks at your design and says, oh, the tracking is wrong. They simply looked at it and feel like something is off. Today I'm going to show you 6 common typography mistakes that instantly makes design look amateur, and the more importantly, how to fix them. Let us start with one of the most common mistakes, that is type pairing or choosing fonts. Many beginners think that using more fonts make a design more creative, but in reality, too many fonts creates confusion instead of working together, and always they compete for attention. And remember that the goal is not to find more fonts, but to find fonts that work together, like one display font and one supporting font are enough to make your design creative. Once you have chosen a better font, there is another problem that can make text feel mess, even when the fonts themselves are good. Avoid bad luck. Let me ask you a question. Have you ever looked at a paragraph and felt like something was wrong, but couldn't explain it? Obviously, this is caused by a poor rag, meaning that the edges of your text should feel naturally balanced, not like this. When a line jumps around randomly, reading becomes uncomfortable. You can even compare to this design. Now the typography is cleaner, but there is another mistake I see all the time. Here designers use every font weight available, and my take to you is that make sure you skip a weight for a stronger contrast, instead of using all weight that everything competes for attention. Take this as an example. Use a bold for heading and light for body text, or use black for heading and the erasure for body text. This instantly creates a stronger contrast. Even with the right fonts and the right weights, typography can still feel uncomfortable to read, and that is usually a spacing problem. Keep in mind that typography needs room to breathe. This is because too tight typography, it feels crowded. Too loose, it feels apart. Small tracking adjustment can completely change the feel of a design. At this point, the typography looks better. But before typography can be beautiful, it has to be readable. If people struggle to read your message, then the design has already failed. Imagine having a clean typography like this. It is because of legibility. And finally, let us talk about one mistake that instantly gives away beginner designer. Stretching fonts here destroy the proportions. In case you need a different width, then choose another font. Don't force it. And here is what I want you to remember. A professional typography is not about finding a magical or beautiful fonts, but making a better decision. You can avoid these mistakes with better pairing, better spacing, better hierarchy, and sometimes a better decision. Now, which of these mistakes do you see most often? Let me know in the comments. Like and subscribe my channel for more design fixes that I've been dropping every week. Thank you and see you next time.